Welcome to another KHOGC, Corrosion, Abrasion and Industrial Coating Solutions presentation. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and check out all of our other project presentations. Agitator tank, repair, rebuild, patch, wrap and protect, with Arcor 2211 and Arcor S20. Agitator tanks are used to mix slurries, ores, and other materials to prevent settling and ensure even distribution of particles. Erosion damage is evident in multiple areas, on the floor of the three tank sections, including under the agitator fan. Lower sections of the walls also show some corrosion damage. Multiple areas needing repair are shown in blue on the diagram. Then, Brad from Team KHOGC gets to work.
400 by 350.
400 by 350 is the scar on the outside, yeah?
Yep.
Sweet.
Bristle blasting is done to prep damaged areas. Then the clean surfaces are tested, and environmental readings are taken to ensure conditions are right for coating. Arcor S20 is applied, and then Arcor 2211 is used to rebuild cavity in the tank floor. Patch plate is coated in 2211 and bonded to the repaired area, sealed, and ready for the wrapping process, completed by pipe serve. After wrapping, a finish coat of S20 is applied. All the other areas are bristle blasted and prepped for coating. Blasted surfaces are again tested to ensure coating requirements are met. A wet film test is done on first coat to check thickness. Then once second coat is dry, readings are taken to ensure a minimum coat thickness of 400 microns. For any information to this, or any other KHOGC projects or case histories, please contact us at info@khogc.com. Thank you for watching this presentation.